Lot 244, really nice Star-Spangled-Banner filly. She's got good size and scope about her. Lovely fluent action, inexpensive, really well purchased here at the Classic sale. Comes from a good running family. You've got the likes of Time for War and Machine, a couple of very good race horses there. She's correct, she's sound, low x-rays, and passed all our vet checks. Lovely filly, certainly one that's at a good price point. Danny O'Brien's going to train her, so she'll have every chance, and we're very excited.
Lot 244 at the Sydney Classic Sales, the Star-Spangled-Banner filly from one of my favourite families in the stud book, Miss Powerbird, Lucky Owners, Machine, and a very good horse, Time for War. This filly's got one of the things, perhaps my favourite thing to ever see on a pedigree. She's got the double cross of the Great Vein. Plenty of good horses have carried this cross. It's something that is really hard to find now in pedigrees, and this filly's got it. She's a really good sort, lovely, strong filly, typical of the sire, who's got a great strike rate of stakes winners to runners.
Hi everyone, very pleased to be getting the Star-Spangled-Banner Powerbird filly to train from Blue Blood Thoroughbreds. She's from a really strong pedigree. If you have a look at the second dam, Miss Powerbird, she was an outstanding racehorse herself. But more importantly, two of her daughters have thrown stakes winners already. So there's no reason why Powerbird herself can't do the same. Star-Spangled-Banner is an elite stallion. His stats are terrific. Stakes winners to runners and winners to runners. And she's a lovely filly in her own right, typical of the Star-Spangled-Banner. Lovely athletic chestnut filly. So I think she's been bought particularly well, and we're really pleased that she's going to join our stable.